I don't know. I don't know. I don't understand the technology. Okay. For my videographer, this is 1750 to 1900, part 2, section 5. This will be section 5. Okay. Now we're talking, what were we talking about? Mining centers. Like what? Like the copper mine in Mexico. Okay, very good, very good. Who had a copper mine in Mexico? The French. And why did the Mexican government allow that to happen? So it was an underpopulated area to bring people into work. That's right. Okay. Another example, we're on number 22. Another example of a mining center was the gold and diamond mine. You already done this, then you ought to know it. South Alabama. No. Africa, just kidding. Sometimes I do stuff just to tick you off, you know. I know. The British discovered gold in South Africa and then blank that area. What is it called when you come in and you make it yours? Annexed. That's right. They annexed that area. Letter B. Wait a minute. What? Britain is controlling India. That's right. And they got dope growing in India. Right. And they're selling it to China. That's right. And now they are going to just take over South Africa? That's right. Why? Because South Africa has gold and silver. What do South Africans think about that? They don't like it. But what can they do? I don't know. I mean, the South Africans have spears and shields. British have machine guns. Wow. Yeah. All right. Diamonds were later found in another area, and several European countries rushed to annex these areas. Whenever, it's like, like the...
Can you talk a little louder? We can't hear you in here.
Close that other door. Diamonds were later found in another area, and several European countries rushed to annex those areas. It's like anything. If I'm just walking through a field and I go, gold, gold, everybody and their brother's going to come out with a shovel and start digging gold. Once the British discover gold in South Africa, other people discover gold in other places in Africa. Well, then Africa's being chopped all up. Poor little the indigenous Africans have no choice. All these people are in there. All right. Let's go to financial development during the Industrial Revolution. Financial development during the Industrial Revolution. All right, number 1. To make investments happen, which means facilitate. The fancy word's facilitate. Use facilitate. He likes it when you use big words. Facilitate. Like, you're facilitating